Hello. Okay, welcome to another video. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about camping stuff. I'm going to show you something that you can bring when you go to camp. When you go to camping in the woods, in the jungle, forest, okay, and you can also bring it along when you go to the beach. Now, what is it? Let me show you. Okay, this is a foldable chair, a folding chair. I bought it from Decathlon. Alright, now this is, you can carry it like you're carrying a sling bag. It comes with a sling attached to the two ends of the chair. Alright, you can just carry it like this. You just bring it along. Okay, it's easy to carry also. And also, if you have a vehicle, you can put it into your car, your van, your lorry, everything. Okay, so now this is very important. What must you look out for when you buy? Okay, you must check for the basement of the chair. The 4 rubber heels must be intact. Okay, make sure they are tight, and make sure you got all the 4 rubber heels. Make sure one of them or 2 of them are not missing. If any of them are missing, then the chair will not be stable when you put on the ground. It will be shaking. Okay, so make sure you got these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, at the base of the chair. Now, how do you take out? See, very simple. It comes with another rubber grip here. See here. Okay, another rubber grip here. This is to hold the part of the chair together. Okay, now how do you open up this chair? You just remove the rubber grip like this. Okay, and it opens up now. Okay, now I'm going to sit down. I'm going to show it to you how. It's very handy. Okay, open up like this. Okay, now okay, let me adjust so that you can be able to see it. Okay, now this is the chair. The brand is called Quechua. Okay, this is the brand. Okay, it's very light also, easy to carry. And what I like about this chair, it comes with the armrest, 2 armrests, and there's a mug holder. You can put your canned drink, you can put your cup, your mug, everything. Okay, let me show you. Okay, your mug. See, you can put it here inside your drink. Okay, it's very handy when you go to the beach, when you go to the forest, when you go to the jungle, camping. Okay, you can if you got a family, you can bring. You can see, let's say you got 4 in your family, 4 members. You can buy 4 of these. It's very handy. Okay, I saw a few types of this chair. There's one type of a chair. It's also foldable. It's like a stool. It has no backrest. It is cheaper. And another chair with no armrest, only the backrest. So this is a little bit more expensive because it comes with the 2 armrests. Okay, so you can relax. Okay, you can sit down. Put it back there. Okay, you can sit. It's very comfortable. Very comfortable. You can. There's no headrest. You cannot rest your head, but you can rest your back nicely. It provides a good support for your back, and you bring your buttock all the way in, so that you can sit comfortably. Okay, make sure your back is in the correct position. You can rest very well, and your 2 arms you can put it here. You know, you can sit down under a tree, then in a forested area, nearby a river, nearby a lake. You can sit down there, you can have your drink, you can chit chat with your friend, or you can also put it around a campfire. When you go to the jungle, let's see there's a fire, a campfire in the middle. You can put 4 chairs around the campfire, but make sure don't go too near the fire. Do not go too near the fire. Make sure you maintain a certain distance. Okay, if you just, all you need is to feel the heat only. Feel the heat only, but don't get yourself or the chair burned. All right, so sit down here, relax. A nice chair, cheap and handy, easy to fold, easy to spread, easy to carry. And if you've got a vehicle, if you got a car or van, you can buy a few of these and put it at the back when you go camping to the forested area. This is a very good, a handy equipment. Portable furniture. There you go. Okay. So, okay, let me take this out. So, I bought this from Decathlon. The brand is called Quechua. They got a few types: without armrest, with the armrest, without the backrest, just like a stool. And there's one type. You can relax. You can even lie down. Okay, you can even lie down. It's a bit more expensive than this. Okay, so you can check it out. Very handy. I like this very much. Next time when I go to rainforest, when I go for camping, let's say hiking, if you feel tired, you just spread this, sit down, take a rest, have a drink. Okay? Alright. I've also seen this, some people when they go fishing in the beach, they bring along this, they throw their fishing line. After they throw, they go to one corner, sit down, relax, chit chat, have a drink, and a few minutes later, or maybe half an hour later, they go and check their fishing line, whether is there any fish that are caught. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and my YouTube channel is all about camping, hiking, survival, and animals. I also give tutorial on animals, reptiles. So thanks again for watching my video. Till we meet again. Bye. Hello. Okay, now I'm in a shopping center in Singapore. Okay, so they are also selling some camping items. Let me show you. Now this is a foldable chair. This is a small foldable table. Alright. Now this is a foldable stool. They even have a to keep in your car. Alright. Another type of foldable chair, and these are all foldable tables that they have. Okay. Look at it. They also have more foldable tables here. Okay. Now this is also a foldable chair, but this is for you to relax. You can lie down and relax also. Okay. You can even sleep on it also. Compared to this is just for sitting, and this you can sleep on it also. Okay. Now they even have a picnic bench. This is a picnic bench. It's made of aluminium. Okay. Now what you can do is you need to unfold this thing. This is folded like a briefcase. Now you need to bring it out and unfold it. You'll get the table plus a 4-seater. 4 people can sit. This is one. This is another type. Can you see? Another type of a picnic set for picnic. It comes with 4-seater and a table. Picnic table. Okay. Okay, something like this. Okay. See, you need to unfold. It's all folded into a briefcase, like a suitcase. Now you need to unfold them. Unfold them until you get this. You can put it at the back of the garden, or let's say if you go for camping in the jungle, you want to carry along also can. Alright. These are available in most of the shopping centers in Singapore. Foldable chair, foldable bed, also foldable bench. Okay, like that over there. And the foldable, a set of picnic table. Here's another one. Here's another one. This is an aluminium. Okay, this is an aluminium picnic table. Okay, it's foldable also. All right. So see which one you prefer. Which is your pick? Which one you like when you bring out your family for a camping or picnic in the jungle or any nature parks that you like. All right. Okay. Thank you for joining me.